Now we are going to show you how to do transactions in the inventory section of hotel management system. First of all, you need to log in with your credentials in the hotel software. Just type in your username and password, click on the login button, and you can get into the software with the privileges assigned to you. Click on the inventory part to see the inventory options, and from there you can see the setting section. In the settings section, all of these are the one-time settings. You have to be careful, because once you start using these settings, then you will not be able to change them until and unless it's verified, or you have to like delete the transaction that you have made earlier. In the accounts setting, you can see the enable posting options and printing options and main store options. You can select the consecutive options that will be available on the Dropbox over there, and click on the save button to save those settings. After that, you can see the inventory part. The inventory section gives you the control on maintaining your inventory and other things that you can see on the screen. You can select the things from the Dropbox that you see there and save the settings by clicking on the save. Another part in the setting is the others setting. In others setting, you can see the setting options like default currency, and either you want to allow to do transactions in other currencies like the dollars and other stuffs, and you can also set up the server IP address, and you can also have the department configuration over there. Now we'd like to show you how to add a product in the system. Just go to the home page, click on the product part, and you can see a list of products that's already there. Just click on the new one to add a new product, type in the name and other credentials like the product type, the category, the subcategory, and other details that you'd like to have, which could be the reorder level, the barcode, and if you want to give a discount, and other things that you can see on the screen. You can also select multiple rates in different currencies, and you can also put on a picture of that particular product if you want to. You can also select the status of that product and click on save option to save the details. Now we'll show you how to purchase items so that you can have them in inventory and distribute it in the hotel system. Just click on the purchase section that you can see either on the home page or on the left of the menu. Click on new, and there you can see your vendor's name, the party name, or you can also create by clicking on Control N, and you can also create a new vendor entry from there with all those information that you have to put in, and you can also have the address, phone numbers, and if there is, you can also have the opening balance amount, and click on save to save the option. Once you have done the new vendor entry, you can select the vendors, and you can also select the department or store where those purchases are going, and after that select the products, the quantities, the unit, and you can write the narration to about the product delivery or whatever you like, and click on the save button to save the transaction. You can also see other informations as on the screen. You can also use them to your convenience, and you can also do a backdate entry if you want to, and have other features. As you can see, you can also edit or void that particular invoice that you have created. all these purchasing thing, where you can see the purchase register that's on the left side of the panel that you can see over there. And in the purchase register, you can select a date range, a from date to a due date, and load the information of the purchases that is being done from the software. You can also see the invoice code and other information, and as you have put on the purchase invoice. After this, you can see inventory section, and you can also click Control I to access that. And in that inventory section, you can see sales order status, purchase order status, and other outstanding sales, challan, and purchases. You can also use a search button to search for a certain product summary and the inventory status of that product. There is a date range to select from, and in that date range you can see all the products that has happened. If you click on inventory movement, you can create a department by clicking on new over there, and if there is already the departments that are created, you can see on the list. And if you want to edit it or delete it, or at least activate or deactivate that department, you can also do that by those options. Now, filling in the requisition form is quite easy. Click on the requisition form, click on new button, select the product name, quantity, and click on save to save the informations. But if there is no code, it won't be saved, so please take care of that and click on yes to save the information. And once it's saved, it's automatically printed, or you can print it manually. It totally depends upon your setting. Now click on item issue to check that requisition form and issue those items. Just select the department, click on requisition, press F2 button to see the details, and once that's done, click on item issue and issued quantity, click on issue, and there it is, the issue is done. You can also edit or delete those options. For now, I'll be deleting it. And to do that again, just click on F2. You see there, type in issue quantity and save. You can now, for the consumption, click on consumption, and the same process. You just need to select the items, and now the report is there, and you can just go through it as you can see on the screen.